Very well, I was just found up so yatina say live or Adom TV so Jumedi no Agoro Ne Fom. Me de I don't hear about yatina say. Agoro mun sem ahodo coach de cobre man ye gebre na yesi nkonya so na yedimu nkomo yepa ebia no ate na wanti ase yedimu nchiremu akwa pa no na de bre e wo Jumedi so. Ahobrase kwan smedin e de oben kwaku andi dodo na fa me papa maestro. Matina say Jumedi no Sergio Manucho na ahye Jumedi kama ye de down live or Jumedi ne so enye asem kuma kra nti mentra don hwere baako Agoro mu nsem bebre na no ana ye de but remember say March day 15 of the Ghana Premier League enra ehya se na akopie mu oboase a Ashanti Gold che adua na hye ne kama komako enan ye be wura mu na fe ene games a eba so yetimi adimu enkoma enye asem kuma sanso na far away the national under 20 team no enro ne Morocco epem so a obi antimi empuso atena the way forward for the satellites no so eno se be wura mu na yetimi adi nkoma kotoko akopie mu Algeria hon komo kakra no so ni nyina no yede ba sanso na enne me special guest betina se na fe yetimi atwe ensem bi sre ni abasa nam se how to folk ya tete apansam daya wada etwam no behwe the supporters of how to folk called the secretariat na mkopie mo no ma loke secretariat ni nyina chese eja tom ewo house of folk enya sem kuma ene ye ne former PR bako ebe kasa ewo Jumedi no so na fe bisa say what is the way forward and I say na me no ka say broni coach okọ assistant coach okọ ati se driver ekọ ye tete kra se team manager so ebekọ afi na like hense na be so team no mu say the rest of the games obehwe na wetimi abo e de ama phobia never say die until the bones are rotten. What actually is happening has to focus catcher ene the main issue ya dey to bama so na fe yetimi atwe sreni abasa me san shobo me were a lot of highlights ewo match the 15 mo de ba ene ne ochina games a ni nyina ebetodwa live ewo Adom TV Agoro Ne Fom so me twa me ho ba briefly na me ba Jumedi ne bebiem ye de ehia ewo Adom TV so me dey my show once again I mean twa me ho. Very well, before Yamobia Kwaba BM, go straight into action after Yetimia enjoy the wonderful goals I know Pimo, or Boise Linkless Sports my bra, Ashanti Gold, a che, a Diana Stars, trying to come Kumako, and I went to me and Sima the Braka. Straight to action, or the Ghana Premier League, March day 15 of Boise, Yanko action.
Welcome to the Ghana Premier League. It's match day 15 already. And we're easing close to the end of the first round. This afternoon, the agenda is a very simple one for the two combatants in action. We've got Ash Gold, who are playing at home here at the Lenkley Stadium, and they are taking on their counterparts from Doma, that is Diana Stars. Robert Dabo is in goal. Opportunities coming the way of Ash Gold. This is Abagna. Long crossing. That should have been dealt by Joseph Addo. Referee noticed an infringement. And the ball. Julian Nunu blows the whistle. A few steps in the run, and it's 1 goal up for Ashanti Gold.
In the Ghana Premier League 6 2009-2010 season.
Well, Ash Gold come forward again for goal number 2. The ball misses everyone. But unfortunately, Yawano had the easiest of tasks of taking his time and placing the ball in the net. But Jacob avoids that challenge, holds on to the ball, sends in the cross. Copybook goal from Ash Gold.
Frank Akoto, the former. It should be a 4th goal. It is a goal. Build-up was so fluid. Ashanti Gold have kept a clean sheet.
The Kowie or Boise Linkley Sports Stadium, my brother Ashanti Gold and Diana Stars at the payment. So no beautiful goals and umutimi gumo 4 goals to 0 and nina etimi ekowie but quickly mama run you through the fixtures are and watching the match the 15 of the Ghana Premier League now and Saturday Inter Allies and Wafa at the Ebeboy and I'll feel on Sunday so Brekum Chelsea and Dreams FC. And no a cracker of a match, and I'm saying Dreams FC. I pick a form pa and yasim kuma and I feel Elmina Sharks and so and Mediama another wonderful game or the Indum Sports Complex and every bit to draw Karela and Liberty Professionals or the Can Park a Honasa game bit to draw and I feel Bechem so Bechem United the betting if you know and Legon Cities at the Apem so and 11 wonders and Great Olympics and so the Bepem so Hearts of Folk and the Ebusian Dawson so at the Beboni. Kumasi Ken Faisal and Asante Kodokodiano postponed. And if bibia so etimi akoyie hodom enti eno any parents in the weekend ya hwe match the 15 na fe etimi but wonderfully wo hwe the league log no so a Great Olympics obeda league log no so first ko actually koba ya ene wasan take an enviable position on the league log, second position Great Olympics, the Wonder Club, and also a brema ebedin koma kakra near Timmy Akko. But my main found call straight to the Accra House of Folk Secretariat on Thursday. The NCC and the teaming supporters of House of Folk come feel say and your man kuyi and more team no a demonstration chinchirin chipa no yeah man lucky almost all the secretariat enra you had the opportunity any former management member back Aziz Haruna Futa what say supporters no lucky secretariat no until the right thing is done. Young kwaji footages and videos of their course on Thursday. Accra secretariat.
Beautiful and glorious as of old, glorious as of old. We will build a great foundation with our colors, red, yellow, and blue. Hasilabi is a mighty tea. Hasilabi is a mighty tea. Hasilabi is a mighty tea.
Yepe consensus building. Yepe say management any board no. Omu recognizing the role of the ordinary supporter. Nipa na otu ni bottom sika. Etia gate field, extra matches no. Onu to demanding results. Until if the results are not coming now, I think say appropriate. Say be making the demands that we make. Yeah, demand say omu nhia ye. Ye nyina ye nim komo. Even we the supporters can advise the board on some of the people who must go and some of them who must stay. So at this moment, our request is that Saban should stay. Na ye nyina ye nhia. Na ye consensus building. Na ye nhia be fix nyama.
Solo no ne ho havena solo no ne ho. Oziana solo no ne ho. Solo no havena solo no. Solo no havena solo no. Solo no ne ho havena solo no ne ho. Oziana solo no ne ho inka.
Enti we na ekosi here the secretariat of Accra Heart of Folk Abra the NCC and the teaming supporters are omo ekosi ahobo dompem demonstration upon demonstration and I'm say Costa ko assistant coach ko team manager tete driver ko na is the team no atete apansam ene like Kensen ya tuni din say omo standing in na omwa Emma Heart of Folk team no emfa the Tampa emfra a board member Vincent Soa Odoite one also edin sem ba ko mienu bi atu da wo kire say nya dia sebe board members no omo manipulating system no say the coach no accuse you omo enti amanfo calm down enti ono so ensema Vincent so odote ediman
should really be disappointed on the turnout events about Costa Papich. I'm sure you're right. I'm the person. As the Honorable Dr. Jao Chamaku said, maybe you need to listen to Costa Papich because there's not been a single occasion that anybody, including myself, have asked him to interfere in the work that he does. Not at all. It is strange where this is coming from. Because I worked with him 13 years ago, and he worked very well. So as a responsible board member, if there's the need, he was the board considered him and other ones, and they felt that yes, he qualifies to be the head coach. I don't have those of you who were at the stadium on Sunday. Those of you, I'll plead that you have an open mind to listen to us as well. Don't come out with all due respect, prejudice. But I left with Papich in his car. I drove here, I left him in his car. Right after the match on Sunday, those of you who are at the park, you realize that I walked straight to the pitch. I met Papich on the center line. Because those of us watching at the VVIP, they were telling me, Honorable, there's something wrong with your players. There's something wrong with your players. I went and said, Papich, what's going on? He told me that the players are not playing for him. Their players, there are cliques in the players. This is what he himself told me.
Enti eno koma Vincent so Odoite board member of House of Folk edi ejaye ene kon fa so package e kan problems a ohu e wo team ni mo e de eche but asam no answer ho ma the skipper of the side Fatau Mohammed wono so o mapia brand ne de ahye sa entawantawa ne issues a ebem the skipper so kasai from the players point of view enti enkoma e Fatau Mohammed enso jai
said about the favoritism is that some feel that they are ready to play the matches that they were not able to get the chance to play. And some feel that injured players was out of the team. Then when they return back, they get to the team easily. So some thought that they working hard doesn't get respond back or doesn't get the award. That because if I'm 100% fit, then maybe someone has got injured for about 1 month or 2 months out of training, then the person resume back, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, then the person enter into a first 11, which some of us wasn't clear. Because if someone is out of the training, he will be not having a match fitness, training fitness. So if someone is playing, then that injured player has returned back, he has to follow the criteria of the rules governing the football. Say bonu ebo na ebia debia say wo na say me ko injured na me ko tena fie for 2 months na ma baba na 2 weeks time misa bo na wo debia no wo be feel say so sometimes na eno na ema boys no e feel say I say Patrice United abem.
Ti eno nkoma eno so free the skipper Fatau Mohammed ho odi ni nyina edija na say ha sim komo no aye bibia ho bebre pa but me pesa me try na me ne Pakofi Sunsum wono wo former NCC PRO of House of Folk ene no edin komo na fe yehwe saying the reaction of the fans no omo ja to honum sa ana say nsema Aziz Haruna Futade ma omo no omo ebesom sa na fe ma lock secretariat no until say nyoma bitimi akoye na say omo say empen bebre no say problems ba say ya won say ya twen ya no ma bo match ba no munya victory no mo SCP the problem under the carpet but this particular time there was a kotoko be share ne sen kra na opeso resolve that issue no na bibia so etimi akọ enti yen hwe say Pakofi Sunsum former NCC PRO yen saka na yen na twen komo na okay Pakofi, good morning. Good morning. Bibi Abokori. Pakofi, what on me too, dear no? Enti me okay. Can you hear me now? What you mean, can? Pakofi. Pakofi. Hello. Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Pakofi, have you met Tonka? What you mean, can?
Hello.
Yeah, good morning, Pakofi. Pakofi Sunsum, what you mean, can? Okay, said you better na ya sanya the back na fi etimi am say menim say o meeting you know said dey on tie sheda enya Pakofi Sunsum enti e be back on the line na fi ya say e betimi ne Pakofi Sunsum etimi edi nkomo so no a very vibrant when it comes to issues a free house as well eba enti ono so say odi na no e betimi atum na fi etimi edi nkomo. Okay, ma min twa me homra me ba ye beto adwumadi ni so live e wo Adom TV so Agoro Ne Fom me dey my show e ba sisia. Okay, we are back live with Adom TV so Jumedi no Agoro Ne Fom. Me did my show. Now I'm prepared my special guest no atina se enche meda omodi e dia. But my men come back on the line na me hwese metimi ne Pakofi Sunsum metimi ato am nkomo twetwe so can NCC PRO wo House of Folk. Ye di nkomo. Pakofi, good morning. What you kan?
Yo master mejoso.
Na bibia bokore.
Radio Adom ho ya pa.
On Thursday no demonstration e koso no na Pakofi Sunsum na we.
When my engage baby kakra see amamentum nkopie
boy nkomo e wo de eba house nsema woni mu ye pa de house ikoyi I say murunkum bi na kata ha ase so ebi kura say team no mo pese mo ton kura ne sa ba bia odina no ensem ne tese ma wo
you better say maminchia with you for any supporters in anopai but from day one ayana ensem bi ohana madama tuma amanfo bi tumeka say it say meta togbe ana say board members ni bi ba no kura ne nyame enim from the onset meaning number one person me defend the togbe awa kwen nyina mu man di Sheikh Mansour so waba odin sakrae bi eba nti yama na time
okay
etroku wi asen me hu say sana ni amegidi ya say togbe ba ye no enya na sa ho a ono no woni idea nti da ko ba say pressure no ye sustain a meka insist hu no so no anye core mandate ne say be make sure as a board and management aye dwumaso a ede nkunimde ba black club no ma supporters nya so yeni age
very well
yeah say at a point me in particular me who say togbe yobi a mpapemu and odo wa club no
oh
yes
ono a ode ne sika ye club no ono a wo bo club no ka no ode division e ba
well kanu yasi ayi anye nyina ye ne fie ye hu say teams a ye disika shem yasi ye boka ewo mu no omo achieve team bia ye say obi ekukuru ne sika fi be dia ode abehye no team no etumi fa league team no bo continental matches
okay
dia na ye hu adenti no no ne de sika na ba moma na team no moma osai de sika she team no mu na se coach ye adwuma na ma ne coach na abako confusion omu ade ya apam no player contract ekwewe ye intumi negotiate na player no contract na and na ko free
okay
into consistency any ho na me hu ye se sika bita team na chi a esa se consistency to me ye ma u yi sika yi ni papa bi shia players ni ye bibia esa wo ba ye wo club no wo ye ni ye eno na the sustainability eba ema consistency eye adwuma ema team no so tum afa no tum apafura nanso no se boche ma we kuta team for over 10 years na sa nyoma yina nkoso mpapemu na wo ho team no before awu be so mu no na woni nipa bi na eye team no ati ase o ye ni ye enti ne papa mu a wa consult on enianom sei na meye enko to say na ese team no mumra on board na mumbaboa mo ideas bi amagbaboa mo famwa paying yes
okay
and the wafa a particular board members the board members now wafa no kura so also want to click our board members in
our board no so
yes
hey
no mo na fa adwen we akambi we yinya hota macro no we yi odotai some crofo we no mo ye team no and consistently enye for over 10 years enye it's a media magim no me feel say this is the time as I said to be why you be a year after 10 years, the way a president, and go time cross my amount to 2 years. Until why you be a shares and 69%, you know, and as to that now, we are demanding it as supporters. So on from to Ghanaian talk, Obia Batoni and Ahon in between, then you to be Jano, because the other team no corner, and you guassen, and you boom or the corner.
Very well.
And Obia, yes, serious house supporter, on who said baby at team no corner, and you guassen a team no.
The demands of the NCC, may assure say omupe a local coach and now pay a reporter about say Ninoy yes Samuel on the best standing in for your match the 15th game against Drafts. Obviously the position of the NCC no and no one a bit me aboa o appointed coach involve us OPC wa the boy amanie ni nyina run a club no hand in hand. Obviously that position and then a bit me aboa I resolve the issues no.
That position will never change anything. Say otiepo no ya and to men society. The woman say, "Your poor chairman, ideas I have football, and I have house of work, my to my league. Achieve no, I been hobby. I've been your baby, why you didn't know,
now, board chairman, any ideas, sir? What about the other members of the board?
Oh, somebody, no more hockey. Near board chairman, but decided, and one winner, especially the click no, no. Shane, you know, be a no supporters at I can be number one. Nyahota Makro, nya papa and Kenya Nana, and Kabibisi say, when I say wo yen nyina no e ma so dwe ba obo so no so atie sisimpie so no otwaban to the essence of supporters are here press conference ye demands are instead say mobile press supporters no mum na ya kwa adwonkuro no na board members mark of a player captain of the team na mo na abatena radio so TV so na onu mu twabo coach a onu no man to man sign proper contract has of me ni so money papi sign any proper contract bi and won't na onya tokro wo ho a otumete call free na wa kofa na mu betwa ba u twa ba na ya den eno na ye league winning
very well
papi no ko u twa ba no nti efe ho nti den na ya den
Enra Aziz Haruna Futa or no can no a management member was say still a NCC no monologue secretariat no until say problem no be resolved because most often issues never say maybe amone kotoko na munya victory na mo sweep issue no under the carpet enti mu holding on na monologue secretariat no copy me say the right thing no betimi happen what dey
well and also your point but me give this monologue secretariat na eno no na yeden then you be near free. And when says a bit, you will be papaya and ya, it's a boy chairman, any brain or so. Because on all directing your friend is saying the directions of the club.
Okay.
Now on directing ye, say, what chance on you board members if you on ready to obey you because board member how many days in a year? Now,
a question about when you have brain or so, mobile day, some demonstration back, there be enough is a mobile sign, you be a bet chess money, bring board chairman. So.
And not necessarily a sustained demonstration. The target is him. He is the target. And then the policy direction on to me and what's the coaches? Now what's the MD to the essence that the point of benefit of America by and Kwesiaga, your chair no brain no court. I am win some media baby.
Now, more supporters, Mosca. What's my club?
Young supporters in Yagi.
Since Mosca. Move to matter shares from majority. They said they were no atom.
Yes, it's on front to board. So say sensitization up. So every house supporters and who say Nishasano, so to one and he remains there or remain there, sir. Tim Nugunegu. Because on no Nigerian is over Yetim Academium. The house supporters in Lima, let me tell them. Among your Magian say, Omo by house of folk academy, no matter the players at home. That is their aim. Among your managers on the League B and now FA Cup of Africa.
Okay.
As I say, this is the time a point Biasono as a supporter so trying to say enough is enough. After 10 years of the year, Crab Yanio, Nipper been a take Crabono, Nipper 11, and I'm a take Crabono. I'm a nan and council. I'm a tiape. I'm a nan and a tiape. It's a share man, a from in China buyer, or people to buy majority shareholder.
Okay.
And I wish I self rotation and no remember the woman. Just say, ya cover so and can you no quansus and cabadis to be a majority shareholder. Because inside trading, a also. Yes. As I'm okay, and what's about it, my dear? Ah, Nazaya no correct. And you're talking company na Odinima, a couple of cash shares.
Yeah.
On one company, and acquiring Amfa. That is 31% where you're told 20% of 100% of the club shares, 20%. You're told 31%.
Okay.
And on no company now, all broker deal no. On one case, say any idea matter. Nipana Yasman Zonkoton Adiano, or say the Miamato. Miamato into Mia as a financial control manager of the club, no, of the board. Then, no one than no who said a majority shareholder. Na old members ni nyina wa pamo mu nyina and na board chairman then Commodore Mensa na ona no call benkro me vivi sa adwuma no o free board chairman ebe ye board member.
Okay.
Etine kwa ye gu nani ma say and papa is resign from the club.
Okay.
It's in the finance to be fast one one can say majority shareholder and was spiritually and one no. I'm not be obey be enye it doesn't work.
Mate
who dey say so wasting the time now or wasting your time.
Pakovi, mame na ose ne mfansi a ochina ne joada e be di sankomo ye china afia hwe the way forward a e be boa the phobia family no. Be that say no time.
Yo me am so that.
Okay, enti Pakovi sunsum ono ye former NCC PRO and ate say ye no na atwetwe nkoma. Wa kan sem ne bebre ye be digestive feather na egusa say togwe kwa ene de asomdwe e bebre ha to fokara. eno eya asem bisa kese a eda pono so in fact me get start na say that coach J Sapon dodo na afa no Shapiro in fact dem say kroma dem de clubs akese ni nyina papa eni o ma din sense me pen a wa coach bebre enkanka heart to foka eda na koma so ye pa anope wase ono so be ka bi watena se ena afa William ni amponsa dako papa me tenisa na sorry wasi da bi mai so entimi nye ejanka eyida wahye bo ntimi ehye se bibia be kama ono se yes town great Olympic supporter and ehwe Olympic team ba bia eba magic bi ewo ho hand bi tachiri ni nyina ye be wuram na afri di ehon komo ni nyina ho. Willie, good morning.
Good morning.
Bibia bako de.
Yami Adom.
Fantastic. Fantastic. So say nye bibia under control.
Everything is under control.
Shapi, good morning.
Kwaku be to say.
Shapi me ho ye na say.
Very good. Ho ye pa.
Bibia kama.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Shapi, my man shall say ho mo de wa coach has folk pen.
Yeah.
And now but you say there is an invincible hand a manipulative heart system no. You say over here interference to ho over here yankofa coach mra yankofa player mra sa system no enye adwuma ama ha se du ba bi adu. Wo de coach bi pen. O time no working through na say city na say interference in manipulations no ho.
Yo maestro make sure what you wa for. And then one way tie.
Yeah.
Na em say me da sorry ye no. I'm tete say name me say it's a big bump House of Folk. From coach to technical team.
Yeah.
But the driver kwa be technical team no because on the team no ko. I'm a boy cry guy.
Yeah.
Hey. Very difficult. Meant to be that history.
They been see that.
Oh, David. Say driver of a team. Any technical team. Oh my guy. Aja bus na si o wana koka. Bus say new bus. Bibia wom. Na what be say? Say dating back in 1985. And there was a similar revolt.
Okay.
In House of Folk. Now, say that time I was school. So we school and I award there. Now, Dr. Nyahota Makro.
Okay.
Team almost about 23 players of House of Folk. Players are be Black Stars.
Okay.
Offense, something Lantern no ya team. Like I say, House was totally on the ground. Luckily for them, no. Now, league no na mukshe. Say Bebo League.
Okay.
And quickly no, panifona team no that time no. Let Tommy Thompson.
Okay.
Let Yamitei.
Okay.
And the secretary. Panifo bi. Ana okay send obi. Yankwi Yahomra na yahwese na be team. Etana sa Yahosuna why so jani extra jama.
Okay.
Discipline beba because discipline na we say we pam boys no. Come from ball. Tommy Thompson Thomas Timaniga.
Okay.
Thomas okay no. Cut them that na course, they both course. And you could easily go to the course training grounds, no picky players.
Boys no.
Don't cut them. To be here, musical use no. Now most of the players fit them. Ne buy. And I'm go far coach. Let coach DCOP Kobna. So we build new House of Folk.
Okay.
Duanabu. Say I'm fine so and good one so. That's the end of House of Folk. Because when my bobo no, mpanifo na any bono. Because virtually there was nothing like House of Folk.
Okay.
It didn't know, but players in here. Kakra na. Let Tommy Thompson. Nana Santi Sechi.
Okay.
Chairman Yamite. Another man be on by me here or academy. So this is what they are following. Now being a school teacher no. Me deal with in Kwadano. One person me call this UOP Kobna, let this UOP Kobna.
Okay.
Maso, me catch you say. My journey as a coach started from House of Folk. Led by this UOP Kobna.
Okay.
One exam the rudiments of coaching. Nema ingredients of coaching.
Yeah, the woman.
The woman in the empire paying out training. On my family quite. On the snap the buy. So over penifia.
Okay.
So the Viva. And on this cacao. Number family quite. They start to say you build a. And the musical use no. I let Santofia kwa.
Santofia.
Ezekiel Amu. Ajoda Nana Beyin Jo Ado Ajay Benajay let Anyate Thomas Kwe Courage Kese Bebrebe no ne satisfiable. That was when there was discipline in the team. This COP Cobra the co match now we a player unfa shutting so
okay ubeki kashim.
Now there was one player a friend Mensa no one the black spot in the team. And it's a Mensa kobo 7 I know who say many this COP Cobra te ha ono person odi data de guso the one no akaka shim no akache na obo 11 so omra mebo 7 no be kwa kobo no wa ye guso yes sir ye guso a won yankwada
okay
na kakra na team no dey so no start say eso aba na physical use because almost susa physical data na band bifi abroche buy no me yankwada na nti
but that time no manipulation no that time wow one kwara na no
meba sa me ka asem aba enti om the team edit to one musical use na discipline was so it was so fantastic
okay
as a school boys now baby no say wo baby na say bibi koso a ebi pese ye hu say omo so ka hoti da dey koso
yeah
and these are the dangerous people among the people brand team no start to say grow no koso no I'm beginning to tell you where the interference started.
Okay.
Uko training grounds are no biaba. Mpanifo say monfa players no kompo ano.
Mpanifo ne say
monfa players no kompo ano kotu nika kaka na wo hwa. Omo mpom no yeyi.
Abra coach wo ho.
Abra coach wo ho. Ana omo refi say this COP komna no we police ni. Meka deputy commissioner of police.
The
one day no friend say coach abazi na nkofo o enfant zimani abazi na nkofo yi aya coach stre wo ha no wo ba na obeka ke de eyi de anu on ye amama mfa kwara no nko mpo no wo ya ansho na nka me ya ansho na
onko mpo ano
nko ye hwe
coach you know story remember what was so na mama mfa eye William Niamponsa dako and so chairman dia ko me sure say any pleasant news for the family ye has folk family no minim baby out here and even though one support team ni o champion team e odi akire dia kwaso ha si kakra be na beka
de ka tia mo tie for na hwefo ni nyina
very well
I'm saying me nim time house for who say omo problem on team
okay
until you shop omo ni di echi
as I saying
yes house bollega they also make sure Olympics no relegation and now only better last year say omo ni na ebo and I'm a problem back on so say I'm a coach no coaching is the problem and you to be
aye Costa Papich no
yes oba and any aye recruitment o my recruitment
na we
match bi obobo bia o say standard unbi until we ready we be am supporters ni say
no dada
yes so by January no I was say
team do a level be our expecting
me one no recruitment
okay
what you say
I get the point
what you say say no so almost share 6 na dey nyina coach no o say still omo do omo yi
level no
omo level now you know me no what is say say na manu na bi wo what is say na has proven wo yes I'm so share 6
yeah me tb
ka ba paragraph frame me mra me goes na mo twa me na me tie news me tie sound na me see yeah ba no wa say na mo nu say sabi obedi loto akineto
ansa
yes ya bo Lagos City
okay
coach ko
ai mo na mama broni no yayi na de
pokotoko
man so na mo say yi maso kuna do di on
yeah
Olympics mo hard ni
it is ya bo ha as a coach anko e be cancer management ni we ni e na ha mo no tam e start level ti say na mo kasa
dabi
yes cancer atom kukram yare na atom team ni
na mo share that ball pose mo be the bomb be to have
some share info na kusi asa abo ni sem
that last year no na kusi ni bomb ni sem mo
any record on GF because it's a league yes ball 2 sisi o ma pam coach me ka say ya shebo mo pa wo na kukra yare beto mo team ni na mfi say di agro
na only the wonder club we so come wonders am ye no hu bia na because wa she Lagos City for pam the coach wa she kotoko wa pam the coach wa she ono so pam the coach
and now bet 11 wonders so
mo ba show mama
oh
o mu coach nti apam no
someone direct Olympics Yari ato has no ato yenya sa experience ni bi da.
Okay.
And I'm say you must start league. Was I for home my but me to make up.
Ko.
You must start league. You try say ya hwehwe ne ama nyina hwehwe ne ama sa. Olympics wo yen kwa ye mrane more than 2000.
Mo mrane bebro.
Thank you.
And I'm one so ensure na nyum bi so.
And enya anthem.
Enya mo nyum. Sir.
Farmer house for no. This is almost suffer. It we took it upon ourselves say dentina yentim de bia we nti me as a person no you say Olympics team no empentokwa
okay
because me di team ne chiache sato Shapiro be catch nti I try to mobilize supporters and the old players no am start your meeting dada
okay
nti me sheda ye for me invite am nyina ba me fie
okay
and we held a meeting a breakfast this thing.
Okay.
Place.
Okay.
In fact, fruitful. Because up on crab baby.
Okay.
Then we addressed the issue. Until you better then na team na then and move forward. Obia by. Old place in Nina, Tram, now everybody was there. Including our PRO. Obia by. Since Obia by. And it was marvelous. Yeah, and we say no. I would say, how do we move the team forward?
Okay.
Then, before you start moving the team forward, you need to talk to the supporters. Now, you say, this is our goal. We have every FBA mention.
Yeah.
Olympics, I had the CC crowd. Yes, I can tell you.
But I have seen more emode.
And then,
Debbie.
Say, me Langas.
Landlords and as Langas.
Langas.
So,
because I said that's a bit too quick. I'm not much as
Mate.
So what I say. So.
Hey, and the house pan I talk from the Olympics. Obo say.
What was some kind of for father? Edu amoso. Yeah, we sister kotoko me show nti abako mo no ma kotoko.
Okay. Okay.
No mo to pe jom kakra fi.
And so the magic no, e dey na year adwuma, second on the league lock for Great Olympics. Dey na year adwuma.
No, secret.
Because you see boys in Toda Kra come di omo, munti omo kaye.
Yeah, place.
Aye.
Yeah, place.
Aye.
One kai.
O na mo de kotoko be game crash mo ni din tem na de ade.
Na say wa ba say do mo hu.
Me hu de.
Nti so be kasa sam chewa. You tell the Marines. It's not true.
Munti omo kaye.
Olympics. Ayedo.
Cha. Emo e de check kotoko ni house.
Na so ni.
Let me be so.
Abonya danga me bomb me sense of team no. Yes, set team. Na hu.
Emo de this year mo say teams nko.
Yes, set teams.
Olia say team.
Yes, set team.
Mate, Sabiro, say the way forward. I no pay Sergio betimi the letter no ato so ama ahwefo atimi ahwa. I no pay has folk the release e the aba na quickly mehwesi metimi akan oharama. Okay, we say coach Samuel Ninoy to lead Hearts against Dwarfs. And to my point and also my point will be as a game against Dwarfs no. Minim say obeto aso abo against Kotokona e the aba. In times like this, so your coach na ka say bra, dey be save situation na I send the city oba one can it saying
my so we experience cook to say me ma fa sa ne mamu make say empari me me nko gimi wu wu trap
adwuma ne ye afidie ne de ama no
wu because who coach no one who need him there Ghana ha what I say I'm not downplaying on his intelligence. But a team like Tokone has, they want coaches with names.
Okay.
What I say?
Okay.
And to say, oh, Koha, Brian appointed people were even skeptical.
Yeah.
Who is this Samuel Nindoy? Who is this? They are asking, they didn't know him.
And again, Mamifo Winkahoma, say former House defender Beneje will sit in as the team welfare officer for the indisposed Sylvester Ni Sabankwe, who is on a 2-week medical excuse. Now say no so say tete say omo ujane kwan no no. I know me Beneje so abese. Enti no say trap ni bi no no.
Yeah, Ben has come into house no in and out. Beneje.
Yeah.
You know, when I mentioned the musical use, nobody
didn't come.
About in and out, as a coach, as something. I mean, I almost sake was sacking coaches. No, the dictionary of coaches. Yes, sake no problem. I don't know why sake but one fact can so emphasize coach. So what I say.
Yeah.
Even performance-wise, you know, the coach in Yadia, he can advise. So a good professional coach, he can advise that I'm going.
Okay.
Because I'm not getting the result.
Okay.
But mom probably didn't matter. What I say, now player selection, and now no big maybe now. I ask for a team like House of Folk.
Yeah.
Now you are washing your dirty linen in public. A team like House of Folk. Akin to Madrid, Barcelona. Of Abroche, these are our Barcelona's here.
Yeah.
House of Folk, Kotoko, big teams, you know. And the little ones, I mean, looked up to you.
Almost see a few more.
That's the way it's handled. Oh, not supporters. Yeah. People should know. Supporters, the team belongs to them. No two ways about it. The team belongs to supporters in this country. Because they can disrupt many things.
Okay.
We are one.
Okay.
But like I'm saying, Togbe should not be blamed for certain things. Togbe should get people who understand football closer to him. The ingredients of football. Togbe no, manko. Togbe say, not people who come and tell you to sing hallelujah and then they go back and then they are in trouble.
Now representing for interest on
that's
the board.
That's right.
Coach, you fancy Dakubrai, Enra under 20. Minim said that brilliant Ashikwe from Olympics Kahon. Now no more Tanzania and against Morocco. I mean, how do you see the under 20?
You see, one thing we need to know is football depends on three things: win, lose,
and draw.
Determination, courage, and the luck.
Okay.
If you don't have the luck, at least still, you're not a lady.
Table, yeah.
We have a boy now. Me catch friend. Before House of Folk, I'm about me feel. You match, you know. I told the players that I'm with them on, you know. I said, when you know, I'm a national team. The players.
I'm say glass now. Who Michelle Otumunina call up in the senior national team proper, and now we also call under 20. In fact, Mukuta, a very wonderful team.
Yes.
Very, very wonderful team.
Yes.
But I say, I'll be and today I expect watching now money a year wonders game, no.
Wonders, I'm sure I'm back. I can't say more to a Kokramesa to team.
Beshon Baku home.
Yes.
The Wonder Club.
I have supporters in my year off, but we are here ball without the in there.
You be a fine.
Can you guys say age?
Coach, you're under 20, just a minute. Nafi, you call 9 minutes for that.
I want to say a Alangard about Monte. I say a fast pass.
Yeah, go.
What's your match homeboy? 27.
Under 20, yeah. Just brief name.
Yes, you see, the road is very steep. The mountain is steep to climb. One for share 4 no. I said somewhere. Say, men go and team say I share 4 say yeah. Where Sana is very dangerous. And one match homeboy.
A tough match.
That's right. And it's going to be like that. It's going to be like that. And you know, okay. One person on the cup on the bar. They should improve on their performance.
Okay. Coach Japon, I don't pay me and I say William ni Amponsa Dakon Dangote. Also, I don't pay a dinner on my body. Smala, I salute. But that team in Nasi, you made in the Sergio Manucho and
one more at a night.
You understand?
Mesro. A legend of the Olympics.
Mate, Chairman Aquaba, and as if I see how Monafi news are a move champaron, many about the Est and the binary at also. Me did your being Andy, do not have a papa on my show until some other time. Peace and blessings. Yes, sir.